This is Manhattan Beach in Los Angeles. Those are people with umbrellas. Yes, umbrellas. There's the best thing in Manhattan Beach. Happy Holidays, 2 hours free parking, courtesy of the city of Manhattan Beach. Bastards. This is not necessary because it's bloody raining so badly. There's the beach, and then you can see the waves. They're about 7 feet high. And of course there's an obligatory crazy bastard surfer. Yes, of course. The wet Schmet. Look at the rivers of blood running down the streets. I think that's rivers of water. That's interesting to watch this. Watch it on iPad. The area itself is very pretty.